Hi loves! Welcome or welcome back. Today's bridal look for summer is a warm, soft glam bridal style with blended browns, a peachy pink shimmer lid and glossy nude lip, finished with bronze skin, a peachy glow and soft coral blush. Make sure to stay till the end to see more shots of the final look. To start, I prepped my skin using Revolution's Pore Blur Primer, followed by a touch of under eye colour corrector and sealed that in with a small amount of MAC concealer. For foundation, I'm using MAC Studio Fix fluid and setting everything in place with MAC Studio Fix powder to create a flawless, smooth base. I'm starting with a light cream shade by Kiko to softly highlight under the brows, carving them gently with a short flat brush, then blending with a fluffy brush for a seamless finish. Next, I'm picking up a soft neutral tan brown on a large blending brush, starting at the inner crease and sweeping it upward towards the brow bone. I'm shaping it into a soft V at the outer corner, making sure the edges stay diffused. I'll also run a light layer under the lower lash line, then with a clean blending brush, I'm softening any harsh edges to keep everything smooth and seamless. To build more depth, I'm going in with a slightly deeper tan brown on a smaller brush, blending it right into the first shade to create a smooth gradient. I'm working in light layers, focusing again on the outer V, the crease and softly along the lower lash line into the inner corner for extra dimension. Now using a dark brown shade and a small brush, I'm deepening the crease, outer corner and lower lash line, building that soft depth while keeping everything blended. To enhance the shimmer, I'm applying a cream shadow stick across the lid as a base. This helps intensify the colour and lock it in. I'll blend it slightly above the crease and into the darker shadow at the outer corner. Over the top, I'm pressing a peach pink shimmer shadow across the lid with a flat brush, blending softly into the crease and into the outer edge. Then I'll go back in with my dark brown brush to seamlessly melt those shades together. For a pop of light, I'm applying a soft shimmer highlight to the inner corners with a small detailed brush. For liner, I'm using a black shadow on an angled brush, softly creating a diffused upper lash line with a tiny flick at the outer edge for a subtle lift. In the waterline, I'm applying a soft black eyeliner. It's not too intense, just so it adds the right amount of depth without looking harsh. I'm applying a few light coats of volumizing mascara to keep the lashes soft and fluttery. Then I'll apply a mid-length lash to enhance the eye without overpowering the look. To warm and sculpt the face, I'm using a warm tone bronzer with a fluffy brush, starting at the top of the ear and blending towards the mouth using soft circular motions for lift. I'll bring the bronzer across the forehead and lightly contour the nose with a fan brush under the tip and along the bridge. For blush, I'm mixing a soft coral and peachy terracotta tone, blending in circular motions over the cheeks for a warm flush. Then I'm applying a soft peach toned highlighter to the tops of the cheeks, the bridge of the nose and tip, keeping the glow natural and delicate. To finish the look, I'm adding highlighter to the cupid's bow, then lining the lips with a muted warm brown liner, softly blending it towards the centre. I'm tapping in a peach toned nude lipstick to blend into the liner, then going back in with the liner to refine the gradient. I'll top it off with a sheer peachy gloss for a fresh finish. And that completes today's bridal look. This soft glam is perfect for any bride who wants to feel confident, romantic and glowing without going full glam. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give that like button a hug and subscribe. Sharing is caring, so feel free to send this to a friend or reach out for collabs. For more looks and reels, follow me on Instagram and don't be shy to DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.